Hello friends, welcome back to my amazing channel Fashion Addiction, which is the premium online channel for high-end dresses, shoes and other fashion accessories from around the world. Friends, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. This is our YouTube channel and we brings you the best of the best from each designer's collection and making it possible for our viewers to feel like they have a personal stylist. So friends and my lovely fans, I'm gonna show you some of the best and the gorgeous designs of leather scarves, cuffs designs for lovely women. My dear viewers, these leather cuffs are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And these cuffs are picked very carefully with a vision that every article suits you in every way possible. So friends and my lovely fans, a humble request to all of my lovely viewers to please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't press the bell icon, you will miss my further videos. And I don't want that you will miss any update from my channel. And friends, don't forget to comment your suggestion of which video should do next. This makes me happy and motivates me to make more wonderful videos for you. So my dear friends, in this video, you will see the brilliant variety of leather scarves, cuffs designs for women. And these are the styles of scarves, cuffs designs every woman wants to wear in winter season or casual events. So friends and my lovely fans, this is our today's video. We hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. Friends, I will wait for your kind comments and also try to answer all your queries of any type of fashion you need. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Love you all guys.